Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Students, in the previous video lecture, we discussed simple interest. Now in this video lecture, let's solve questions of exercise 8.3. Question number 1 is, tell what is the profit or loss in the following transaction. Also find profit percent or loss percent. तो हमें क्या बताना है, प्रॉफिट या लॉस कितना हुआ है और प्रॉफिट का परसेंट भी निकालना है और अगर लॉस हुआ है तो लॉस परसेंट. So part B as per your mathematics textbook is a refrigerator bought for rupees 12,000 and sold at rupees 13,500. So एक रेफ्रिजरेटर खरीदा गया है 12,000 रुपीज में और उसको बेचा गया 13,500 रुपीज. It means the cost price CP is 12,000 and the selling price is 13,500. SP is 13,500. Now see here, selling price is greater than the cost price. It means there is a profit. So profit will be equal SP, that is this 13,500 minus 12,000, that is 1,500. So profit is rupees 1,500. Now I have again written it here. CP is 12,000, SP is 13,500, SP is greater than CP. It means there is a profit and profit will be equal to selling price minus cost price, that is 13,500 minus 12,000, which is equal to rupees 1,500. So this is profit. Now we have to find profit percent. Profit percent is equal to profit divided by CP into 100. So profit is 1,500 divided by CP is 12,000 and multiplied with 100. These two zeros and these two zeros will cancel out. So we'll be left with 1,500 divided by 20. So this 0 and 0 will cancel out. We are left with 150 by 12. Now 3 4 are 12, 3 5 are 15 and 3 0 are 0. So we got 50 by 4. Now 2 2s are 4 and 2 25 are 50. So profit percent is 25 by 2%. Clear? Or we can write this as 12 1 by 2%. So this is the profit percent. Clear? Now students, part D is a skirt bought for rupees 250 and sold at rupees 150. So the cost price here is 250. Selling price is 150. See here, cost price is greater than selling price. It means there is a loss. So loss will be equal to CP minus SP, which is equal to 50 minus 150, which is equal to 100. So now we have to find out loss percent. Loss percent is equal to loss divided by CP multiplied by 100. So loss is 100 by CP is 250 multiply with 100. Now this 0 and 0 will cancel out. Now 100 into 10 is 1000 divided by 25. Now 5 5 are 25, 5 2 are 10, 0 and 0. So we got 200 by 5. Again 5 1 are 5, 5 4 are 20 and 0. So 40% is the loss percent. Clear? Students, you will solve part A and part C yourself. Now students, question number 2 here is convert each part of the ratio to percentage. So here we have a ratio and we have to convert each of the part of this ratio into percentage. See, the total of all the parts is equal to 2 plus 3 plus 5, which is equal to 10. So total में जो है वो 10 है. Now we have to find out percentage of each part. So I'll write percentage of first part. Percentage of first part is equal to, what is first part? 2 out of 10. So 2 by 10 is the first part. into 100%. Now 0 and 0 will cancel out and 2 into 10 is 20. So percentage of first part is 20%. Then similarly, percentage of second part is equal to, what is second part? 3 out of 10. Multiply it with 100%. Now again 0 and 0 will cancel out. 3 into 10 is 30%. Similarly, percentage of third part is equal to, what is third part? 5 out of 10. Multiply it with 100%. Now 0 and 0 will cancel out and 5 into 10 is 50%. Clear? You will solve the other three parts just like this. Now students, question number 3 is, the population of a city decreased from 25,000 to 24,500. Find the percent decrease. एक पॉपुलेशन है जहाँ की इनिशियल पॉपुलेशन जो है वो 25,000 थी, फिर वो डिक्रीज हो गई 24,500 रह गई, तो हमें बताना है कितना परसेंट डिक्रीज हो गया. So we'll write initial population. Initial population is 25,000. Then we have amount of change. Amount of change. कितना change आ गया? 25,000 minus 24,500, which is equal to 500. So percentage decrease is equal to, percentage decrease is equal to what? Amount of change divided by initial population into 100. So now substituting the values, amount of change is 500, initial population is 25,000, multiply it with 100. These two zeros will cancel out, this 0 and this 0 will cancel out, so we are left with 50 by 25. Now 25 1 are 25 and 25 2 are 50. So percentage decreases 2%. Clear? Now students, question number 4 you will solve yourself. Now question number 5 is, I buy a TV for rupees 10,000 and sell it at a profit percent of rupees of 20%. How much money do I get for it? So टीवी खरीदा कितने में गया था? 10,000 में. So we can say cost price is 10,000 and we are given profit percent. Profit percent is equal to 20%. We have to find out the selling price. कितने में वो बेचा गया? Students, we know that profit percent is equal to profit divided by CP and multiply by 100. Now this profit percent is given as 20. Profit is, we have to find out profit. CP is 10,000 and multiply with 100. These two zeros and these two zeros will cancel out. So we are left with 20 is equal to profit by 100. So these two will be multiplied. We can say profit is equal to 20 into 100. So profit is rupees 2,000. Clear? This is profit. We have to find out selling price. So we know that profit is equal to selling price minus cost price. Clear? When we'll shift profit to this side and cost price to this side, what we will get is, we'll shift CP to this side. We'll write profit. This is in negative here. This is having a negative sign here. When shifted to this side of the equation, it will be having positive sign. CP is equal to SP. So what we can say is selling price is equal to cost price plus profit. Clear? Now we'll find selling price using this. Selling price is equal to cost price, which is 10,000, plus this profit is 2,000. So selling price will be equal to what? 12,000. Clear? So this is the selling price of TV. Now students, question number 6 is, a shopkeeper sells a washing machine for rupees 13,500. He loses 20% in the bargain. What was the price at which he bought it? तो शॉपकीपर जो है वो एक वॉशिंग मशीन बेच रहा है जिसमें सेलिंग प्राइस जो है वो है ₹13500, that is 13,500, and loss is given as 20%. Now students, we have to find out cost price. We know that selling price is equal to, we can say, CP minus loss. It's actually from this. Loss is equal to CP minus SP. Then when SP will be shifted to this side and loss to this side, it will become SP is equal to CP minus loss. Yani selling price is equal to cost price minus loss. So we'll use this. And also here we are given as loss is equal to 20%. But 20% of what? लॉस 20% हो रहा है. किस पे 20% का लॉस हो रहा है? एक्चुअली दैट इज ऑन कॉस्ट प्राइस. जितने में हमने खरीदा था उस पे 20% का लॉस हो रहा है. सो वी कैन से 20% ऑफ CP, दैट इज कॉस्ट प्राइस. क्लियर? So we'll be using these two to solve this. Now SP we are given as 13,500. Clear? Now this CP we have to find out, and this loss is 20% of CP actually. Clear? Now I'll write 13,500 is equal to CP minus, this is actually 20 by 100 into CP. Clear? So I can say 13,500 is equal to, see, the CP and CP is common here. I'll take it out. Here we are left with only one. CP into 1 is CP again. And here we are left with this 0 and 0 will cancel out. So we are left with 2 by 10. Clear? Or we can keep it as it is. That will be more easier to solve, keeping these zeros as it is. So now I can write 13,500 is equal to CP into 1 into 100 is 100 minus 20. 100 minus 20 is 80 by 100. Clear? Now let's cancel these two now. So I can say 13,500 is equal to CP into 8 by 10. Now we have to find the CP. This 10 will go to this side in multiplication, and this is in multiplication, it will go into division. So I can say CP is equal to 13,500 into 10. So one more 0 divided by 8. So when dividing this by 8, you will get 16875. So rupees 16,875. This is the cost price. Clear? So with this, your 6 questions of this exercise are complete. Now in the next video lecture, we'll solve further questions. Till then, you will keep on practicing those. Allah Hafiz.